John Marrone back here at Win the Storm. Now, this is year 2 that you are speaking. What's bringing you back?
When I came here last year, I saw all the lives that could possibly change, not just in contracting, but in overall.
I like how, they got a speaker on the main stage, right? But there's also breakout sessions. Yep. There's also the trade show. You can do what you're really like wanting to do here.
Yes, yeah, and that's a great thing, because a lot of times people are just working every single day, and then they're calling these places, and these people have no way to get back in touch with them because they're playing phone tag. So to be able to see main stage speakers, see breakouts, and then to have the opportunity to speak to vendors, I mean, there's nothing like it.
So tell people that don't know about you, like, what is your business and what do you do here at SVG's Win the Storm?
Yes, absolutely. So I'm a growth expert and transformational speaker. And simply what that means, I help people get from where they're at and who they are to where they want to go and who they need to become in order to get there. And here at Win the Storm, they allowed me the opportunity this year because of the impact we had last year.
Thank you, John.
Absolutely. Thank you.